Hi, do you ever sometimes just feel so overwhelmed with everything and that you have racing thoughts and you're really sad, really depressed at the same time?
Welcome to Chi Mastery with Eileen Jong. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
You realize you got a lot to work that you got to do, and it's just like not getting done because you're pondering, overthinking everything. Well, hey, let's try some 12 treasures and creating flexibility Qigong with me. Hi, my name is Eileen Jong. I am a licensed acupuncturist and herbalist and Qigong teacher here in Silicon Valley Bay Area. So let's get started and try to get those overthinking thoughts, anxious feelings out of the way. Okay, so inhale, exhale. Let's pull the chi down or chi shower, allowing yourself to breathe naturally. And let's pat up from the midline to the throat and down. Shift the weight. Sometimes when you're so very anxious, nothing seems to be working. And so come back to a simple system to get back to yourself, to get back to your energy and your focus. And a big piece of which in the tummy here is the third chakra. Okay, you can rub a little bit extra. Oftentimes, when you're anxious and worried, it's really kind of sore here and you're not digesting well. Yeah, that's the area for you. Okay, so you can always take a little extra padding that way, a little extra rubbing, or rub down and around. This is another way. Two, three, or the other way. One, two, three. Okay, so down your right, up your left. One, two, three, and switch down the left, cross, and up the right. One, two, three, and pat up again. And down. Good. And so as we come back up along the same lines, we're going to trace along the body, just about an inch or two away, body to palm. Imagine the golden ball going through the front, middle to the back of the spine. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Nice. In, ex. Good. Repeat again. Inhale, exhale. In and through, front, middle to the back of the spine. Repeating again. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Good. Nice. Inhale, exhale. Good. And then three times around the lower limbs. One, two, three. We do the extended stretching from Hua Mountain School. Inhale, exhale. Second time. Inhale. And the last time. One more. And up your left side. And down your right. Good. In, ex, in, ex. Inhale the opposite way. Exhale down. In, ex. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Good. And pull down again. She shower down. For the the Qigong. Come on up. Inhale, big guy. Exhale. Allow yourself to expand up and out, front, back, and sides. When we're over anxious, over worried, yeah, it's very uncomfortable there, right? So you want to gently let yourself extend and expand. And if you need to, go ahead and look at the earlier videos to do it in a chair. Good. And then from the low back, this is a big guy right now. Then let your hands float to the low back and embrace the world. Nice. Beautiful. And 3, 2, 1. From embrace the world, let's do the birthday candles. Turning, pivoting the hands, pointing the fingers toward the waist. Good. Nice. And the other way for a different view. Then you let yourself pivot, turn, and let that go forward. Nice. Good. And be swimming. Birthday candles. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go do the reverse now. Rowboat. With shifting weight to relax ourselves from the force of gravity. Doing it bilateral, 2 sides. Good. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. Let's do this other view for you. Let yourself, your elbow completely open, can no longer open, and let yourself sink and sit. Your tummy is in a little bit of an ab crunch toward the end, and relax. Good. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. Switch to the rowboat, forward rowboat. Good. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. Let yourself go to walk in place. We've been doing for a little while for the last few days. Nice. Making sure that you coordinate the same side of the hand, pinky up, same side of the heel up. Good. 3, 2, 1. Switch over. Yes. Good. And 3, 2, 1. Switch. Scoop up. Good. And palm up. Pinky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. X. 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. Nice. And again. 3, 2, 1. Let's do the other side. Scoop it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Very good. See? And then as you shift the weight, you start to feel better and actually start to release the tension from that area. Yeah, because actually when you hear bad news or challenges, it's not just so much in the mind, but it also manifests in the body, the digestion. And through the vagus nerve. It brings the signals up to the brain there. Good. 3, 2, 1. Let's do now walk in place, which it looks really similar, but your focus on looking on that side of the body. Nice. And then the other side just follows along, okay? But your focus now, the right side is the dominant. Good. 3, 2, 1. Let's switch to the left side being dominant now. So same palm come up, same side of the heel is up. Right? Left hand, left heel. All right. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. And reverse now. Scooping it up. Right? I'm focusing on the dominant right side. Yeah. Looking at that side. So the brain activates on the opposite side. And then let the other palm in when you're ready. Good. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's do the left side as the dominant now. Looking at that. Beautiful. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. We're still doing reverse circles, walking, yeah. But so in other words, one palm up and the other palm will be down, and one palm up, the other palm down. Similarly, when that one palm comes up, your heel for the same side is up, and switch. The other palm comes up, the other heel is up, and so forth. Yeah. Good. Now you can let the heels be on the ground, and you're still making those circles, one up, one down. Yeah, and where it comes up, that side of the leg is more comfortable, more, how to say, together, coordinated with it. And so I'm trying to help you with the mind to understand where the coordination goes. And so we're shifting the weight, yeah, and let you know that you're still doing reverse circles, but it's going to feel a little bit odd. So let yourself pivot, turn a bit so that your hip joint or the groin, the hip flexors is moving. Good. And so this becomes Qigong. That instead, yesterday we talked about, yeah, across. You want to across and drop the elbow, turn, drop the other elbow. 2. Yes. Okay, so then you're playing the Qigong, and then also that you're feeling the sensations of the Qi between the palm, closer, and a little bit taffy, resistance, push away, closer. And that taffy feeling, okay, is what's going on when you're playing with the chi ball. You're feeling the taffy and you don't want to lose the connection. Let yourself shift away. Good. And then you can switch other direction too. Yeah? Beautiful. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. Switch it back. So now we're going to take it a little bit bigger. So remember, wider the stance. Remember we did the walk in place and we did the flat foot walk in place. It's just a transitional position to be. Transitional stage. So let yourself drop across and pull. Drop across the palm to that knee. And the other side. Yeah. So in other words, it's not just you drop there and then pull it up and then the other arm hurries, right? Not be so stiff, but that I want you to have the idea of both hands at the same time. Shift, pivot, turn around, across, turn around. Yes, turn around. Good. That's it. There you go. Nice, beautiful. Hmm. And shifting the weight, so you see that when the one hand is coming up, the one hand, the left hand in this case is up, the right hand drops. Yeah, so they're on oppositional sides. Yeah, good. And this one is called rejuvenation. Okay, the walk in place was the beginning, uh, related pose, and then now this is called rejuvenation. And then now you relax the neck, relax the other side. Good, nice, beautiful. So that is the standing rejuvenation. Okay, yeah. And as long as you're comfortable, you relax the neck, shoulders. You got it. The weight is into the hip joint. Yeah, just comfortable. Okay. It's the movement, the weight on the left hip across to the oblique on the other side, and also related on the mirror image, left, right, right, left. Okay, good, nice, beautiful. And inhale, exhale, pull down, chi shower. Wonderful. And feet together. Good, very nice. Okay, thanks so much for joining me. That was today is day 20 for the rejuvenation, that last one. And I hope you liked what we did today. Comment hashtag 12TQG, subscribe, and save it, share it with your friends. And I really appreciate y'all for joining us today. Okay, see y'all tomorrow. Bye for now. And oh, love to all the world, right? Thank you so much. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Continue your healing journey with any of these videos.